Less than ep data end equals 322 data start equals 76. Greater than. Hey everyone, today, I want to take a moment to talk about someone who left an unforgettable mark on the soundtrack of our lives. Brian Wilson, the genius behind the Beach Boys, has passed away at the age of 82. And honestly, this one hits deep. Less than p data end equals 847 data start equals 324. Greater than Brian Wilson wasn't just the frontman or the guy at the piano. He was the soul of a band that gave us some of the most iconic sounds of the 20th century. From the sun-soaked harmonies of less than m data end equals 53, O data start equals 512 greater than California Girls, to the dreamy layers of less than m data end equals 571 data start equals 555 greater than God only knows, Wilson crafted more than music. He created entire emotional landscapes. For many of us, his songs weren't just hits on the radio. They were the sound of driving down the coast, the feel of sand between our toes, the freedom of a summer that felt like it could last forever. Less than p data end equals 1250 data start equals 849 greater than. But Brian's story wasn't all sunshine. He battled mental health issues for most of his life, stepping away from the spotlight more than once. And yet, through it all, he remained a creative force. When most artists would have faded into nostalgia, Wilson came back, again and again, reinventing himself, giving us masterpieces like less than m data end equals 1191, data start equals 1179 greater than Pet Sounds, an album that even the Beatles praised as revolutionary. Less than p data end equals 1560 data start equals 1252 greater than. His music was intricate, layered, deeply emotional, full of unexpected turns, just like his life. He wasn't afraid to be vulnerable, to show the sadness behind the smile, the melancholy behind the melody. That's what made his work resonate so deeply. He gave us joy, yes, but also depth, complexity, truth. Less than p data end equals 1809 data start equals 1562 greater than. Now, as we say goodbye, it's impossible not to feel like we're losing more than a musician. We're losing a storyteller, a dreamer, a pioneer, but his legacy lives on, not just in the records, but in every memory soundtracked by a Beach Boys song. Less than p data end equals 1953, data is last node, equals data is only node, equals data start, equals 1811 greater than. So here's to Brian Wilson, the visionary who turned harmony into magic. Rest in peace, maestro. The beach may never be the same without you. Stay subscribed for more videos.